Drinking is a health risk for many reasons, like what it does to the heart and many other organs. But what new research reveals is how it deteriorates bone and soft tissue. Soft tissue, like spinal discs, are largely comprised of fluid, and alcohol dehydrates the body. The dehydrated discs lose elasticity, and the spine is a series of joints cushioned by those discs. When the discs get a little funky, the lining of these joints gets worn and aggravated. I personally went through this, not a pleasant feeling. Bones deteriorate too. Alcohol use, especially during adolescence and young adult years, ups the risk of osteoporosis later in life. The small intestine just doesn't absorb calcium adequately under the influence of alcohol, and alcohol also messes with the kidneys, the pancreas, and the liver in their regulation of calcium and vitamin D. When alcohol lowers blood calcium, a parathyroid hormone is released not from the thyroid, but from four rice-sized glands at the rear of it, and that hormone leaches calcium from the bone. Two other hormones important to bone health are also under siege from alcohol. For women, it's estrogen, and alcohol drops estrogen. As it drops, it leads to bone loss. In the menopausal years, this adds to bone loss that's naturally occurring. And the stress hormone cortisol, a key topic in the book, Every Silver Lining Has a Cloud, is found in higher baseline levels in active drinkers and remains high after quitting. High level of cortisol decreases bone formation and increases bone breakdown. Also, excess alcohol kills osteoclasts and osteoblasts. That's doctor speak for cells that make bones. No osteoclasts, no new bone growth. And let's compound that with lousy balance when drinking. A drinker is more likely to fall, and the bones depleted by drinking are more apt to break. There's good news here, though. Some studies have found that lost bone can partially be restored within 60 days of quitting. Another reason sobriety is a better thing to have than to lack. I'm Scott Stevens. That's the Sobriety 60.